Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to test out the interior detailer by Meguiar's. This is the Quik interior detailer. It's been around for quite some time. It's just a product that I tend to use for quite some time. It's actually a really good product that I want to share with you. This is an interior that's really, cleans all interior surfaces, right? So especially the dash, the instrument panels, the sides, and as you can see from this car, the roof has been off here in the Targa, so really, as you can see, the dash has been a little bit dusty. As you can see there, this part could use a little bit of a cleanup too, and also the sides here as well. So it's really a good interior cleaner. I see the dust all around here. Could use a really good freshening up. Look at that there. So the Quik interior detailer from Meguiar's, again, a product that's been around the block a time or two, and it's really something, a product that I use that I really want to share with you today and show you how well it works. So stay tuned for more. So I'm going to start with the dash. As you can see, it is quite dusty there. You know, again, when the roof is off, you're gonna have all sorts of stuff coming in. And I'll just open the door here. And it's a little bit dirty over here, as you can see. Could use a little bit of cleanup. Of course, here near the dash. The digital dash, pardon me, and then also the steering column. So we're gonna go ahead and test this out and show you how it works. All right, we're gonna start with the dash. So again, when you have the product, always give it a good shake. I'm gonna actually spray right on the microfiber cloth. So 3 sprays, as you can see. And now we're gonna take a look at what we can do here with this product. I'm going to do half of the dash here. Anyone who's owned a C4 Corvette knows how little tight the interior is, but it works for me. So as you notice, this one here, this particular product has like a matte finish. So it's not going to be a shiny finish as maybe some people may desire. I don't mind it, but for certain dashes, I do prefer just the regular, just kind of like the regular OEM, you know, as if you were getting it new from the dealership. Nothing really shiny. So, you know, either one is fine. So as you can see here, so I'll just do a quick little touch up here. I think I missed a spot there. There we go. All right, so here we go. Let's zoom in a little bit better here. So that's the first half of it. And of course, here's the dusty side of it. And as you can see, it's really clean. Looks really great, to be honest with you. I tend to prefer this a little bit more than shiny these days. So it just looks a little more authentic. And again, this is a 1988 C4 Corvette. So as you can see, even from a really old car, still brings out an almost new type of look when it comes to the dash here. So I'll finish up the rest of the dash and we'll go from there. All right, so here's the rest of the dash. Yeah, looking really sharp. I'm going to actually try it on the door panel. And one thing I want to mention too, whenever you're doing the dash, never spray directly on it. For those who are newer in car detailing, it's going to go all over the glass. Even though my glass is quite dirty, actually I gotta clean it further, but don't do the inside with the spray. Just spray the cloth, microfiber cloth, or whatever you want to use. That'll work. So, but here I don't mind spraying the actual area here. So 1, 2, 3 sprays. and really giving it a good clean. And also this is like kind of harder plastic. This is from, again, the 80s, late 80s, so newer cars will have a lot softer plastics, really softer material, should I say. But here, as you can see, just really making this nice and black again, nice and clean, kind of like, again, that matte finish, nothing shiny. It really smells pretty good, actually. So some of the products do smell, I don't know, how do you say, like typical chemical thing smell, I guess, but this one actually has a really good aroma. So if you remember, the top was really darker when I first showed the video. So as you can see here, it's pretty clean. Again, this is an older vehicle, but as you can see, really did a good job cleaning it out. Especially making this really, really sharp looking too, the black component where the handle is. So yeah, so this is a really good sharp finish. Even the black part came out really great in the top of the panel. All right, I'm gonna do the rest of the car and show you how this will look. Stay tuned. All right, here's the final result. So as you can see from the door earlier, doing the rest of the interior here. Center console, it's a lot cleaner. And again, it doesn't leave that shiny look. If you're looking for something that's more like OEM, kind of like your simple, clean, look at that, it looks fantastic. Doesn't have that high glossy shine, then this is the product to use. All right, well, thanks again for watching this quick video demo on the MEGUIARS Quik Interior Detailer Cleaner. So if you like this video, smash that like button. If you haven't subscribed already, please do so, it really helps the channel. All right, everyone, well, thanks again for watching this video. God bless. See you in the next one.